This place could use some magic. It's all trash and grime everywhere.
Do you need a hand? I can help.
Sure. First, we gotta clean up the place. Are you ready?
Let's start with these walls. Huh? It's so sticky. Now I'm stuck to it. Ew! How do I get this off?
What's that? Slime? Huh, don't worry. I have chocolate syrup for that. Let's replace the cap. Watch this. Ta-da! A sprayer up my sleeve. Now, let's spray it on the slimy walls. It melts all the gooey stuff. See how easy it is to wipe off? Sparkly clean, as if nothing happened.
That's awesome! But what about this chunk of slime on my hand?
For that, I have something extra special. Brace yourself for some magic.
The slime turned into candies! What's underneath this box? Huh? Oh, the worms are alive!
Did you know that these earthworms can turn into something special? I just have to chill in my hat for a little while. Add a dash of magic, and bada bing, bada boom! Scared of candies, are you now? No more live worms, just sweet gummy candies.
Worm candies?
Let me show you. Give it a try.
I haven't seen a gummy worm before, but I'll try. So gummy and sweet. Yay! Now I have more energy to help tidy the place up.
Looks like we're doing a great job so far.
Oh, yes!
Time to check our to-do list. We can now stick it up on the clean wall. Step 1 done. We cleaned. All right.
And next up on the list, we should plant a tree.
Plant a tree.
Look what I found! A sapling!
Let me do a taste test.
What do you think?
Nah, that won't do. For our tree planting to be a success, we need a bunch of cookies. Crush them finely and sprinkle it on the soil. There. Want to do a taste test?
Really? Mmm, so good!
Here's a magic seedling. We're gonna plant this here. And for it to grow nicely, it needs a chocolate syrup shower. Hurry, give it some space to grow. And there it is. Oh, and check this out. The tree's tasty bark. Have a taste.
Is it edible? It's chocolatey.
And like any other plant, it needs fertilizer. But this is one of a kind. See what it can do?
Whoa! Flowers! I want a pink one. Can I eat this? It's sweet too!
Plant a tree? Check! How about a victory dance? So here's where they're hiding, huh? You'll see! And next on our list, we gotta fix the pipes. This is gonna be tricky. The sweets you've eaten for sure gave you strength. So carry this.
No problemo. Easy.
And here's another one. Quite heavy.
I can't get it off.
Here, let me help you. The top came off. You could take that now. We've gotta paint the rusty pipes.
This mint green one's heavy. Watch out!
Whoops! I'll do that later. Let's put up this colorful pipe first. Can you help me? Good. A lilac pipe this time. And pastel pink too. Now we can insert the old ones into the new ones. Do you know what these colorful pipes are for? Let me show you. Ta-da! Chocolate pipe, marshmallow pipe, and candy pipe. Want to see how it works?
Gotta pull that lever, right?
Here you go.
It's a full lighting candies. Look, I got a handful.
Make sure to catch some.
Whoa, mini marshmallows this time. Wow, so soft and colorful. Yum, yum.
And last one.
Chocolate! It's not coming out. It's stuck.
We just have to wait. Or maybe try again. And again.
Something's not right. You should check.
What could be wrong? Let's see. So this is the main chocolate pipe, and it's connected to the small pipe all the way down to this pipe, and then a clogged toilet. There's something going on here.
I lost my appetite.
I'll fix this. Look, it's the officer.
He's clean.
Let me out! Should we?
No, let's put him back.
Come, let's check the list. Pipes, done!
Here's some lollipops, candy-coated chocolates, gummy stars, big bubble balls, and Wonka bars. Pantry is loaded with sweets and goodies. Some Wonka chocolate bars free for everyone to try. Finishing up the counter. And of course, the Wonka trademark. And where did that goose come from? Look, it laid some golden eggs. Could be candy. Let me taste it. Mmm, yum. Everything's sweet in this factory. Oh, back to work. Let me check in this box. What's this? A floating cloud? Hey, come back here. Wonka, I can't reach it.
Oh, gotcha. There you go.
Thanks.
And this is what these red strings are for. Tie up the floating cotton candy cloud just like a balloon. Give me 5. Oh no!
Come back!
Let's put the ends of the strings in the jar and cover it. They can't float away now. We're a great team.
Uh-huh.
Setting the counter. Done.
Open for business.
Employees roll call. There's you and me, but it seems we need a store clerk. I have an idea. I'm gonna set up a big candy trap here. Whoever gets in will be our new store clerk.
Will that work?
Shh! Let's find out together. Be quiet.
Okay. Look, someone's coming. Huh? They're getting in our trap.
That's our cue. Boom!
We got it! Yay!
Yeehaw! Let's go check. Here we go.
You're gonna pay for this.
Oompa Loompa, look! You just got yourself a job! Welcome to my chocolate factory.
Huh? I don't need a job.
I know. Payment first, right? Cash and tax-free.
I have no use for this.
Okay, I get it now. Give our friend here a little treat.
Try this.
Go ahead.
Interesting. Awesome. We have a deal then. I'll help you out. Yay! Welcome aboard, store clerk. Let me dance.
Oompa Loompa, I've got a job. Oompa Loompa, I'm your new staff. It's our chocolate factory opening day. Do you think it'll be a success? Well, we're very well prepared. Smells sweet.
The officer is here.
Hide under the table, quickly. You, guy with a funny hat. Wonka at your service. Have you seen this girl? Looks familiar. Here she is.
Hey, I know, girl. Gotta do something.
No way! Same height. Other than that, I have no other information. You're kidding. Oh, man. Busted.
Please, officer, don't arrest me.
You can't talk me out of this! You're coming with me! No poor kids in my city!
I think I know how to solve this. Here's a bowl of chocolate, officer.
No way! Are you bribing me? My turn to think. Aha! Here, officer. Thank you for your service. Huh? Ah! I'm floating away! Help! Oh no! My pants are falling off! I'm an embarrassment to society!
Bye, officer!